Hello guys, today I'm going to uh, show how I cook the curry chicken. Fast and simple and easy. Yeah, of course it's not professional because I'm staying alone, live alone in my house. So sometimes I want to eat uh, some things that I feel like to eat, so I need to cook by myself. So of course I don't want it so complicated because when you live alone you want to do something easy and fast. Okay, okay. Normally I will cut it here first to easily to remove the what we call this skin of the garlic. After I cut, I will press the garlic like this. So now you can see I can easily remove by one hand the skin. So after wash the potato, we make a cut at the middle of the potato. Not deep cut, just a light. You cut it very lightly. Okay, after we cut, and then we need to boil the water. After the water boils, then we put the potato inside for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, because this is the first time I do this way to remove the potato skin. While we are waiting, so we prepare the other things, the carrots. The water is boiled, so we put the potato inside for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now we cut the potato into the small pieces. I think it's enough. Yep. So we put the hot water. And now we put the cold water. Okay, this is the last preparation. And I will put an egg inside when I do the marinade. Here's the curry powder, and just now is the turmeric powder. Last time I buy it wrongly, so this is the curry powder. Oh, nice. Depend on how much the chicken that you want to cook. So just put when you mix it clearly, mix it completely. It's no need too much. And I like to put some chili powder. It depends. If you
you guys don't like the spicy, don't put too much of the chili powder.
Finally, we can start to cooking the chicken curry chicken. Oh my, I always confusing between chicken curry or curry chicken. And we need is coconut milk. We need the coconut milk. We get out the chicken.
This marinate the chicken. We put oil first. Oil. At first, I will fry the chicken first. I will fry the chicken. Pepper and the garlic. You want to put the garlic before you put the chicken or after, it's up to you. But sometimes I prefer to put it before the chicken. This time I will put some curry powder again. It's about 1 or 2 spoons. You can see the color is yellow color now. And also we'll put some chili powder, about 1 spoon. Okay, coconut milk, this for 1 kilo of chicken. If you are less than the 1 kilo, don't put too much. And I will add on some water. One can of coconut milk and 1 can of water. And now the carrot. Oops, I need to clean later. And the potato and the beans, long beans. And now I will put against the curry powder. About 2 or 3 spoons. Just finish it. One pack of the curry powder for 1 kilo chicken. because I like spicy, and I will put some more the chili powder. If you don't like spicy, don't put too much the chili powder.
Salt. Some salt. No need too much. And I don't put any Ajinomoto because it's not healthy. Yeah. Every time I cook anything, I don't put Ajinomoto. So while we are waiting for the 10 or 15 minutes, so I clean the thing first. I add it. Ooh. Coffee. I like coffee very much. Coffee lover. Ooh. Let me check the potato. Yeah, you need to take more long time to cook for the potato and the carrot. Yes, it's done. It's time to test all the things inside the curry. Wow. Okay. Yeah, the rombin is soft already. Now the carrot. Now potato. Oh, oh. It's hot. Oh. It's soft already. It's good with the rice. If you eat with the rice, yes. You put the curry with the rice. Wow, mamma mia. Masarap. Chicken. Yeah. So this is the video of my curry chicken, fast and simple. So I hope I can share my cooking next time about pot or what. So see you next time. Keep safe. Bye.